Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to share with you guys my newest purchase, which is the MacBook Air M2. I have been waiting a long time for a computer like this to be launched from Apple. This computer is replacing my 2015 MacBook Pro 15-inch, and the reason I waited so long to purchase a laptop from Apple again is because the recent laptops, like in the last 5 years, if you don't know, I'm gonna put this down. Apple's laptops have been plagued with issues. Whether it's sticky butterfly keys or not having enough ports or having that finicky touch bar, it's just been issue after issue after issue, and I've just been waiting for Apple to fix these issues before purchasing a new laptop. Before they announced their newest MacBook Air, I was really close to buying the MacBook Pro with the M1 chip because I really believe that that laptop is a beast. I believe the newest MacBook Pro should have been what Apple released after the 2015 MacBook Pro. Like I said earlier, the last few laptops that Apple released have had so many different issues. I'm really grateful that Apple listened to their customers, and the newest MacBook Pro and the newest MacBook Air, there is no touch bar. The butterfly keys are gone, and the design in general is just way better looking than the previous model. And so when my 2015 MacBook Pro started having battery issues and the speakers started to die, I decided it was time to replace it with a new laptop, and the MacBook Air is what I chose. And part of the reason why I chose the MacBook Air is because I already have an iMac, and I don't really use my MacBook Pro for heavy editing anyway, so I just really needed something that I could take to coffee shops when I'm meeting with clients. I needed a laptop that I could just throw in a backpack and not have to worry about it. And part of the reason why I chose the MacBook Air is because over a decade ago I purchased my first laptop, which was a MacBook Air, and I really loved that laptop. I used it all throughout college. I had no issues with that computer, and it actually still works to this day. My dad bought it for me, and I really enjoyed having that laptop, and the fact that it lasted 10 years and it still works to this day really goes to show how well built these laptops are. This newest laptop from Apple is definitely my favorite laptop from Apple, not only because of how portable it is, but also because it does come with more color options than their previous models, and I really like the look of this midnight black. I've had this for about a week, and what they're saying online about this laptop having issues with fingerprints is true. If you don't like seeing fingerprints all over your computer, then I would highly suggest you get a lighter colored MacBook Air. I don't particularly care about fingerprints unless it gets really nasty, but aside from that, I really like the minimal look of this laptop, and the M2 chip is light years ahead of what I was working with my 2015 MacBook Pro. So as far as performance is concerned, as far as just user experience with this laptop, it has been amazing, and I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. It has not failed on me. It's not shown any issues so far. I've only had it for about a week, and throughout that time it has not shown any issues. Now the only con I have with this laptop is the ports. I do wish that this laptop came with, at the bare minimum, just one more port right here, like an SD slot. I don't know why they chose not to do that, especially because most of the people who buy these laptops are like photographers, people who use SD slots. I'm not sure why they chose that, but I know that you can get a pretty inexpensive adapter on Amazon that can solve that issue. So I'm not really concerned about not having the ports. I just kind of wish that it did come with a laptop. That is a con to me. Aside from the ports, I haven't experienced any other problem with this laptop, and I'm definitely glad that I waited to buy this laptop. It was definitely worth the wait. If you're thinking about buying this laptop, I would highly recommend it. I think that Apple really knocked it out of the park with this newest computer, and it's definitely a product that I hope will last a long time, like the previous model did. If you're thinking about buying this laptop, if you've been kind of on the fence about it, wondering is it as good as people are making it seem online, it is that good. Now as far as cost is concerned, they did raise the price of this laptop from the previous MacBook Air that they released. They are offering an educational discount on this laptop. So if you're a student or a professor or a teacher watching this video, you can get this laptop for $150 off the retail price, and you can also get a $150 gift card to Apple with your purchase. So they've made it more affordable, and I'm guessing this is just for back to school. I'm pretty sure as soon as school start, that offer is going to disappear. So if you're a student watching this, or if you are or if you're a teacher and you're looking for a new computer, this is the model that I used through college, and I definitely would recommend college students buy this laptop if you can. It's definitely very reliable, and it can be thrown into a backpack. You can use it in your dorm really easily. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and I really would recommend this laptop over any other lightweight laptop on the market. Another thing I want to mention, that discount I talked about earlier, I'm just gonna put this out there. Apple is not verifying if you're a student to be able to get the discount. They're just trusting that people are going to not get the discount if they're not students. Like, all you have to do to get the discount is literally check a box on their website. They're not verifying whether or not you are a student. So do with that information what you will. That's all I'm going to say about that. But if you're not a student, the cost of this laptop starts at $11.99, and of course it goes up from there depending on the customizations you choose for your laptop. But the base model is $11.99. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a like. Leave a comment down below. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this laptop. Whether or not you're thinking about buying this laptop, whether or not you would buy this laptop, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next upload. Alright, bye-bye.